Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to contact Instagram support. So we're going to open our Instagram app and at the bottom right corner we're going to tap on our profile icon. Now at the top right corner we're going to tap on the three dashes there and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see under more info and support, help. So we're going to tap on help and now we can see some options for help. You could report a problem, you can find out your account status, your meta verification, and you can see Help Center. So if you'd like to report a problem, all you need to do is to tap on it and follow the steps. The next thing you can do, of course, is to tap on Help Center. And Help Center will take you to this page where you can search for articles. So after searching for articles, you may find the solution to your problem. However, if you'd like to still contact Instagram through mail, you can go to support@instagram.com. This will be written in the description down below. However, it's important to note that emails will be slower due to high traffic. So it's a great option to search for articles based on your situation. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.